hard to see from the moment we arrive.
Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ashley. I'm a homemaking style channel. I love doing decor videos. I also do some like clean with me organization videos here and there, some cooking. So yeah, I like to throw all of that in. So just kind of your homemaking style channel. And if that is something you're interested in, I would love for you to join my YouTube community by hitting that subscribe button down below. Now today we are going to be decorating for fall, and we are going to be in my living room. So this is kind of like a part 2 to my clean and decorate with me. My first one, I will link that in the description box below. I decorated my dining room and my kitchen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I styled my living room, and hopefully y'all get some ideas. It helps you kind of get your creative juices flowing on how to style your home. And if y'all like these types of videos, the seasonal videos, just give this video a thumbs up. It just lets me know, hey Ashley, we love these videos, keep doing them. So it's super helpful for me, and it's also just helpful for my channel in general. So I always appreciate it when y'all give this video a thumbs up. And for those who have not seen the dining room and kitchen fall decorate with me video, I actually announced that I have new merch, y'all. I am so excited about it. I am wearing it in this video. So in both videos, I'll be wearing them because I just kind of wanted to show y'all. I was really excited about it. And my channel name is my name. So what I was explaining in the last video is I thought, you know what? I am going to do my initials that had been created for me whenever I had my cover created. So I was like, you know what? Instead of doing my name, that was kind of a little strange for me, I'm going to do the initials. I love the design. I really thought it was pretty. So I was so excited about it, and I really hope that y'all like the merch. I will link that in the description box below in case you're interested in purchasing any of it. I also have sweaters and t-shirts, and I was even thinking about maybe coming up with like some seasonal designs as well. So if that's something that y'all would be interested in, leave me a comment down below. But anyway, y'all, enough chatting. Let's start decorating.
All you have burns to the sky. It's all too late. You wonder why.
Okay, before we get started, I did kind of cheat, and I put a little pumpkin up here on the shelves, and I swapped my summer floral for my fall floral up there, and then just added a little pumpkin there. So it was just quick, and I thought, you know, I'll just kind of show y'all what I did just to kind of spruce it up a little bit, put a little fall touch to it. But yeah, it wasn't much, but I wanted to give you guys a little peek over at it. All right, let's go ahead and get started on the fireplace. All right, so as you can see, I already cleared off the fireplace. All of my spring decor and summer decor is all tucked away. And so I wanted to kind of show you though the fall floral that I'm going to be using. I'm just gonna be using a few of my leaves. Also, I think I forgot to mention this in my intro, but a lot of what I used this year have been decor that I purchased over the past few years, and some of this I even got last year, so it may still be available in stores. For example, all of the floral that I'm going to be using today is from Hobby Lobby. They most likely still have the floral there or something similar. And then these right here, these little wreaths that I'm going to be using for the candles, I got these at a boutique, but you can honestly find these just about anywhere online, or maybe even Amazon. I have not checked Amazon, but I'm going to wipe down, I'm going to take the candles off, wipe this down, and then I'm going to start layering the fireplace mantle.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow.
Okay, so I changed my mind. I'm actually gonna take these wreaths and place them on top of the books here, and place these decorative pumpkins that I got at the Dollar Tree last year. They're just like little velvet pumpkins on top of that.
Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody. I don't need anybody.
All right, y'all, so here it is complete, super simple. As you can see, I have my TV above it, so it makes it kind of hard to do anything too grand. But I am just going to turn the candles on. And oh, y'all, I absolutely love it. You'll have to let me know what you think. And now we are going to get started decorating down here.
Without you, you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
All right, y'all, so if you hear the rain in the background, it's raining pretty hard. Sorry about that, but I figured this just needed a little something else. So I got these 2 pumpkins out that I got at Hobby Lobby last year, and I am just going to add these to the top. And what's cool about it, they kind of sink in on the bottom, so they stack really nicely. So I just kind of wanted to stack that, and let's see. Oh yeah, yep, I like that. I think that is the perfect little final touch. So I am excited to use these books. I found them off a Facebook garage sale, and I thought these are the most beautiful books ever. I have to get them. I have to have them for my decor, and I think it's gonna work perfect for fall. I got them a few months ago, and so if you go on Facebook garage sale, Etsy, like boutiques, flea markets, you can typically find really pretty books like this, and I'm so glad I found these. But I'm gonna just kind of have it tucked over here to the corner of the basket, and then I'm gonna put a white pumpkin in the back because I wanted this to kind of lean, and I needed a little something to keep it propped up. So yeah, I'm liking that so far. Actually, I think I'm going to push that back a little bit more so that I can fit this up there. And then I think I'm going to swap these 2 colors out. Okay, yeah, I think I like that better with the lighter colors over on this side. And then I'm going to place these 2. I think I like it better, the little bit darker colors, over on this end. All right, y'all. What do you think? I think I am done with the fireplace. All right, y'all, so I am coming over here to the side cabinet, and I'm just gonna wipe this down, and then I'm gonna add some fall florals in this vase that I pretty much keep up year round, well, this year at least. And then I went and grabbed some more floral, these 2 amber vases that are from Target, and then these are from the Target dollar spot from last year. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up. It should be pretty simple, but I'm excited to see how it turns out. All right, y'all, I am all finished up vacuuming, and I'm going to give you a little overview of how everything turned out.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile.
All right, y'all, so that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know these are the types of videos I want to keep seeing by hitting that like button down below. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And y'all, that is all. I really hope today's video gave you some inspiration, and some changes are coming. I will kind of announce those maybe in the next week or two and kind of explain what's going on. So make sure you have that notification bell set on all so you get a notification when the videos go live. But anyway, y'all, I always appreciate y'all, especially if you watch to the end. That means the world to me. So thank y'all so much, and I will see you next time.